guys, Aniq here. Today we're going to be unboxing RC Max Rumbler. So it's a remote control car and it says it does multi-awesome stunts. So this is how the car looks. It's red. On the back of it, it has the instructions and how to do the tricks. So this is how the car looks. There's a little wheel on top so you can do a stand. So you can also do a 360, which is pretty cool. So let's put in the batteries now. So on the remote, if you press this one, the left button, the just left wheel moves. If you put on the right button, the right wheel moves, I guess. Yeah. So you have to press like both of them up to go forward. So let's try and do a trick on the ground. So let's do some tricks now. But kind of did it. You can do it in one place. The cool thing about this car is that you can actually drive it upside down. So it like this. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos. Bye.